Hey, what's going on? Welcome back, everyone. This is All Things Tech here. As you know, probably Vin Van channel now, but regardless, welcome back to my channel. Happy Saturday morning. In this video, I want to talk about what I am going to do today, or at least my plans to do 3 certain items. I want to identify them and then from there, set a timeline for today to get them done so that I can make the most out of my Saturday. So first is I want to hit the gym. I want to make sure I get a nice gym session out. And then I want to find a location to possibly go network and build clientele, because we all need to build clientele, right? Clientele is a piece of critical component to ultimately achieving your financial freedom. And then the third piece is self-development, which I am going to continue to study for my PFS, which is the Personal Financial Services. SEG designation for the CPA. It's technically the CFP. So I will be a registered investment advisor once I get that designation. So I already did all of the coursework. I just need to sit for like the 5 exams that they have. But yeah, I'm gonna work on that. So the topic or the focus in this video today is really setting goals and then executing them, right? Because with planning and without action, the plan is useless. So even if you don't have a plan, just get out there and do something, right? Just do something. So even if I didn't have those 3 things, I'm just gonna go out there. I'm just gonna go to the gym, see what I'm gonna do. But the thing is, as long as you're taking action, you're gonna move forward to whatever your goals might be. It might not be the shortest route. It might not be the most efficient, but you're getting somewhere. Even if you're going in circles, you're still doing something. You're learning. At least you're getting experience, right? Experience that will help ultimately drive your effectiveness and your efficiency in whatever that it is that you're trying to achieve. So right now, I'm setting this right here as a baseline. And from this baseline, I have my goals in the next 3 months, year into the first quarter of 2022. I want to use today, this period of time, to benchmark, well, the future to benchmark back to here. Use this as the baseline. And so, for example, if I'm at $0 today, my goal by, say, the New Year's is X dollars. That's going to be my goal to achieve. So I know that I've started at 0 on this day. And by December 31st, I'll have X amount of dollars, and then I compare the two. And that's going to give me the progress or the amount that changed. And then relative to what I said today to have in the future, now you have your budget versus your actual. And then you can scale that towards it. You can push that forward out to like the end of next year, 3 years out, 5 years out, 10 years out. So that's part of like personal financial planning. And anything I say in this video is just for information only. It's not tax or any kind of accounting or legal advice. Just have to throw that in there. This is just for information. This is what I want to share to you. But at any rate, I think that if you come with that kind of mindset, is to action things, and then from there, start trying to plan before your action. It just makes it more efficient. So if you're gonna leave your house and you're gonna start driving, but you don't know where you're gonna go, it's gonna take you a while to get to wherever that is, maybe forever. But you're still in the car ready to rock. But if you sit in your house and you don't even drive at all, and you just sit idle in your home, you don't even have the opportunity to cut that setup. Like, for example, getting in the car and being in the car already versus being in the car ready to go. And then ultimately something comes through, boom. It's like, okay, I'm already in the car. Now I can cut that startup time versus just being in the house. You don't even know you have a car outside to get into to drive. But ultimately, you want to be in the house, make a plan of where you're trying to get to, look at the different routes, which one's going to be most beneficial, cost benefit kind of analysis, and then take the path. And then obviously there's hiccups along the way. There might be a detour or accident, whatever the case might be, that will delay you and increase your travel time. But ultimately, you still know where you're going to go. So if you know that you're going from point A to B and something's in your way, you can take a detour and then still continue to B because you know where you're going. So now taking that back, where am I going today? Where I want to go tomorrow, next week, next month, next year in my life? What am I trying to achieve? And then from there, Well, not just only what you're trying to achieve, but what is my purpose and what am I trying to achieve? And then from there, you can truly now start planning out your routes. But anyways, on that note, I hope this information helps bring some of my insight as far as planning, personal planning, and this ties to financial planning or wherever the case might be. This is applicable depending how you apply it. So it's not just for financial, it's personal, financial, relationships, all that stuff. You just have to look at it and find a way to apply and make it applicable to your situation. But anyways, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so that you can see the new updates, the new drops that I put out. And also, if you have any kind of questions or areas that you want me to discuss in my videos, drop a comment below and I will work on making a video to address that particular topic. So until next time, stay safe and take care.